In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Affinity Photo Adjustment Layers, HSL Vibrance. We'll look at what these adjustments do and how to add and use them in a clean, non-destructive workflow. Adjustment layers sit above your image, so you can tweak or remove them anytime without affecting the original pixels. First, a quick overview. The HSL adjustment stands for Hue, Saturation, and Lightness. Think of hue as the actual color family. Shifting it nudges reds toward orange or green, blues toward teal or purple, and so on. Saturation controls intensity, from muted to vivid. Lightness, sometimes called luminosity, affects brightness for those colors. You can edit all colors at once using Master, or target a specific range like reds, greens, or yellows. The built-in color wheel also lets you manually refine exactly which hues are being affected by dragging its range handles. Vibrance is a bit different. It increases color intensity intelligently, prioritizing dull or muted areas while protecting already saturated regions, including many skin tones. The Vibrance adjustment gives you two sliders: Vibrance for that gentle selective boost, and Saturation for an even push across all colors. Let's add an adjustment layer. In the Layers panel, click the half-black, half-white circle, the adjustment layer icon, and choose either HSL or Vibrance from the list. If you don't see the adjustment icons, open the adjustment panel by going to Window, then Adjustment. Now, let's use HSL for general color tweaks. With the HSL layer selected, open its settings. Move Hue Shift to steer colors toward a different tint. Increase or decrease Saturation Shift to deepen or soften color intensity. Adjust Luminosity Shift to make colors brighter or darker. To work on a single color range, click one of the color circles beneath the wheel, such as reds, greens, or yellows, then use the same sliders for that channel. To refine which shades are hit, drag the nodes on the color wheel to widen or narrow the affected range. For example, click the yellow channel and raise saturation to make yellows pop without altering other hues. Finally, use Vibrance when you want a natural lift. Add a Vibrance adjustment layer, then raise the Vibrance slider to bring life to muted areas while avoiding harsh oversaturation. If you need a stronger overall punch, increase saturation as well, knowing it affects all colors equally. That's it. Clean, controlled color in Affinity Photo using HSL and Vibrance.